welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and if you want to subscribe you can. If you don't want to subscribe you don't have to either. I'm just glad that you clicked on the goddamn video. Hey y'all, this is me in the future editing. Being a YouTuber is kind of hard when you do all the work that you do and then you get to the editing phase and then you just see stupid shit that you know people are going to point out, but you can't do anything about it because you already filmed it. Don't mind my my hair under my my purse. That I don't know why that irks me so much, but it does. Okay. All right, I'm going to go now. It's not a big deal, Regina. It's not a big deal. All right, bye. So right now I'm on my way to my brother's comedy show. But yeah, this vlog is just gonna be a week of me doing shit. You know, usually I don't do a lot of shit. So this would be nice just to like get out, get some fresh air. I put the heels on, y'all. Can y'all see the heels? I got some shoe dazzle on right now. And I'm walking like a straight up hooker. Honey, I look like I'm trying to get me my money. We are about to go inside. His show starts at 8. All right, I'll catch up with you guys later because shit, a bitch needs to breathe.
Just throw a couple ninja stars at it.
In a museum, just throw ninja stars.
Yes. Bring ninja stars to museums.
Hey guys, it's a few days later and I'm going to the gym. So I'm going to be using my Geanie Beans superfood, and I use this kind of like a pre-workout. It gives me energy. If you're interested, make sure to use code RY88 for 10% off. So after I put that in, I just mix it with water. I don't put anything else in it. And I give it a good shake. And I make sure I drink all of this before I start my workout. You know, yeah, I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Okay, guys, so I'm at the gym. I'm about to put my hair up and get it in. Yeesh. This is how I look. I don't look too bad, but
1 hour later.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good. Just wanted to pay my balance off.
I'll make it to there.
Okay guys, so my teeth are clean. What little I have of them. And I'm going on my way to meet up with a beauty consultant for Mary Kay Cosmetics to kind of help out with my skin. So this should be interesting and fun. I'm excited to see what new products they have, all that stuff. So probably gonna get a smoothie or something and then head over there. Hey guys, so I just got back from my Mary Kay consultation with my beauty consultant, and girl, I am like blown away. Her setup was so nice. She had basically almost everything that is in the brochure. Like, it was so nice. It was set up so nice and I had a lot of fun. I really did. She ended up showing me this CC cream and I'm wearing a little bit of it now. And you guys saw how my skin was looking earlier, and I just like how my skin is kind of glowing. It has a sheen to it. You can still see like some of my hyperpigmentation, but that's more so for the foundation. The CC cream kind of just brings your face together. Plus, it was only a little sample that she gave me, so it's not like how I would put it on, you know what I'm saying? But I love it. So I ended up getting that, And I ended up getting a new system. I think it's called, actually, let me show you guys. Like, I have a whole bag here. So the CC cream was $22. And I'm gonna continue. This is actually gonna be my everyday. This way I don't have to wear like makeup all the time. This is the CC cream, and I got it in deep. So that's the CC cream. And then this is the acne treatment system, because you guys saw, if you watched my face mask routine video, it was really bad, and these are the results of that. Like, it's just really kind of going down, but now I have markings, and this is supposed to help. So it's called the Clear Proof Acne System. There's 4 parts to it. So I'm really excited to use this. I'm about to use this tonight, and oh my gosh, it's like so bomb. So yeah, guys, I'm really excited. I'm definitely going to give you an update video on how that works out for me. I'm going to take like my before picture. Well, you guys already know what the hell my skin looking like, but for those who come new to the channel, all that, I'm going to take a before picture, and I'm going to start using this faithfully. So I have to use this twice a day, every day. So I'm going to use that faithfully, and this was $45 for the whole set. So it's cheaper when you get the whole set, as we all know. I'm gonna leave her link down below just in case you want to check out her website, but I'm gonna really do a dedicated video when I start to use, you know, the products and stuff and really know how they work. So I'm not just like telling you guys just to tell you. Like, I really want to use that system and see how it works for me, and for you guys to be able to see it. But with the CC cream, I was sold automatically. Like, I was really happy about it. I really loved the way it made my skin feel. Like, it looks like extra moisturized, like, but it still looks like it's my skin. My neck is a little bit clear, but that's because I didn't bring it all the way down to my neck because it was just a sample. But it don't even look like I got nothing on, really. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can still see my bumps and stuff, but it doesn't look like how I usually look, like dead. I'm trying to figure out what I want to eat. I'm not sure yet, but I do want to eat. And it's like, I really shouldn't spend money out. I should just like eat at home, but I don't feel like cooking. So it's one of those nights, and I don't want to get something that's stupid because I worked out today. So yeah, wish me luck. So you guys, good morning. It's the next day, and I have to go to work tonight, and it's just getting worse with this whole C virus thing. So I went to the store last night, and there were so many people like in there. Like, the lines went from the front of the store all the way to the back of the store. So literally it was just a mess. But what I'm gonna do is basically get my apartment together, deep clean. I'm going to make breakfast first, and then I'm just going to deep clean, sanitize, all that shit. So yeah, just a boring day for today because I go into work tonight. So besides going to the gym, that's all I'm gonna really do. So let's make me some breakfast. I'm gonna make one of my good omelets. Yum, yum, yum. It was just enough sugar. It wasn't that much. Really, it tastes good. So yeah, this is all I'm eating for breakfast. I just made me an omelet. I'm like the best omelet maker ever. You can ask my mom. I just put some peppers in it with my seasonings that I usually do. A little bit of salt, not too much. Pepper, some Italian seasoning. Yeah, and it comes out so good. And then I have my coffee. No bread, none of that stuff, no meat. I could have had like bacon with it or a sausage, but now that I'm exercising, I just want to be a little bit more conscious. So it's just the omelet and some coffee. That's it. And then after this, I'm going to start bleaching my place down. Okay, guys, I still have a little bit more to do. I have a lot to do. So I'm just going to end the vlog right here, finishing disinfecting everything. I'm so glad I got the bathroom done, vacuum a little bit more, clean my room, and straighten up the kitchen a little bit. Kitchen's not too bad. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Gonna get ready for work tonight and also go to the gym. Gotta get that in. I'm dreading it, but I gotta get it in. And yeah, it's just a regular, degular, shemgular day in Regina's world. So thank you for watching this video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and blah, de, blah, de, blah, de, blah. And yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.
You ain't got the answers. You ain't got the answers, Sway. I've been doing this more than you.
I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay. Go fuck what you say. I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay.